Hey there. Today we're making this super easy hot appetizer. And it just takes a few ingredients and it's a crowd pleaser. First you need cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, and sliced green onions, and a little bit of mayonnaise, about a tablespoon to hold it together. You might need a little bit more, but just go about 1 tablespoon at a time, just until it holds everything together, and then you're all set. It should look like this. Next, we're going to put all of our Triscuits on a cookie sheet, and we're going to scoop about a tablespoon onto each cracker, broil until it's nice and bubbly. You could do a little golden brown on the top of the cheese, and then a little cracked pepper, and you're all set. Plate them, put them out, they'll disappear. It's such a good recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to see more of my content. Goodbye.